Hello YouTube, we're going to do some ratios today. Now this is not that hard. It is kind of just basic math and it's just a word to catch people. And I'm going to walk you through today. We'll practice these. So come on, let's go with the first one. Write the ratio 24:36 in the simplest form. What are you going to do here? What are you going to do here? What's the first in your head? You want to divide in. What goes into both of them? So simplify them really. So you're like, what goes into 24 and what goes into 36? Anybody? 12 will go in. 12 into 24, it goes 2 times. 12 into 36, it goes 3 times. That's your answer. I know it looked easy like that, but it's just like simple, just thinking simply about it. A recipe uses 300 grams of flour and 100 grams of sugar, 180 grams of sugar. What's the ratio of flour to sugar? Needs to be clear, like, put it out here. Flour to sugar. Yeah? And so, 100 grams of flour is to 180 grams of sugar. Get rid of the G if you want. Do the same thing. Simplify what goes into both of them. Anybody? What goes into both of them? What goes into, and if you're thinking of like, if you're thinking, you could straight away knock off the 0 if you wanted to. So what's 30? Now you have 30 and 18. What goes into both of them? I'd say 6, guys. 6 into 30, that gives me 5. 6 into 18 gives me 3. There you go. That's the answer. Next one. In the school, the number of boys to girls is 45 to 60. Simplify the ratio. Nice and easy. To 60. So we want to simplify this down. So what goes into both of them? 15, I'd say. So that's in 3 times into this. And 15 to 60 here. That's going to go 4 times. Easy. We're flying with these. 90 euros divided between Anna. This is a hard one. 90 euros divided between Anna and Ben. The ratio of 2 to 3. How much more money does Ben end up with than Anna? So I guess the important part here is you want to find the total. It's broken down to 2 and to 3, right? But what's the total? It's like 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3 give me? 5. So you want to break it into fractions now. Fractions. So Ben's getting 3 over 5 of it, of the pizza, like a pizza. Now it's going to get 2 over 3 of it. Sorry, 2 over 5, my apologies. The best thing to do now is to break down, like, what's 1/5? Like, you just got to find 1/5 now. Is that okay? Can you find 1/5 of 90? How do you find 1/5 of 90? Because that's the total. How would you find 1/5 of 90? Anybody? What's 90 divided by 5? What's 5 into 90? Goes in once. Remainder, 4. 5 into 40? 8. 18. And so, you can break it. He's going to get 1/5 more. The answer is going to be 18 euro. And that's what 1/5 is. So 1/5 is 18. 1/5 is 18 because you found what 1/5 is. It's 18. Ben actually gets 3 over 2. He gets this amount. He gets 1/5 more. So he gets 1/5 more. 1/5 more is 18. That's the answer. I know. Easy when I do it. But you break into fractions, and that's how you work it from there. All right?